Baby, I go sit down and make your sister talk to me like that.
You don't have no ear drop, my God.
Don't talk to me like that, Lovell. Don't do it. Guys, I'm not going to see me come here. I accommodate Lucy. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Guys, I don't want to know Lovell and Lucy, but if you guys don't, Lucy is my brother-in-law, Lovell is my sister, and my little niece. The Boucher family, and them have Lovell and Lucy. I'm gonna put the link to their channels in my description box, and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. Okay, so guys, right now we're gonna bring home Lovell and Lucy. The other day, one of these two the power we gonna pick them up. I never did show that in another video because them did post one video in regards to all of that. But them I go home now, and for the longest while me and Lovell for do that prank here. So I'm gonna make up put it to them, but in a different setting. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off like normal vlog, and then I want Lovell to give me attitude. So I'm gonna say something where we now go agree to, or you can say shut up now when me a vlog. So if you when you do it, if you take Lovell side, I don't know if you try to squash them now, take Lovell side like what Lovell say, right? Because I want Jesus to get, yeah, I want Jesus to get in gone with I care, don't you? Yeah, good. I want Jesus to get involved the right way, because if I me and Lovell, I know I'm going to squash it down, but then you are going to come in. So anything with Lovell say, just back Lovell. So Lovell, I will tell me to shut up. Me we pearl long it, because you know it's uncomfortable. And then me go say to Lovell, say, remember we have to say this. And I go say to you, say, well, I could take it outside then. No, or you say to me, say, I could take it outside. And I say, well, pull over, babe. You ready to go home? I'm gonna make a way out because now what time? But after 4. So I could go now. Hey guys, so I'm back. Remember me did start one vlog from me did over Jason's mommy's house. Put up on what way carry up Lovell them. We talk about some old time story. And me just remember something what me used to do. And I can't believe that me cringe.
We must say I nothing do.
Why you say that? Why you say that?
I say we must say I know. So long we attack.
No, it sounds like you want to say something, Lovell.
I say nothing, just say we must say I know.
No, talk straight because I know that you want to say.
With what?
What is that about?
Alright, basically I talk too much now because they don't make that story.
So you tell me if you shut up?
No, I'm not telling you that you just...
No, you tell me if you shut up.
You need to because that story.
Jason, your sister, just tell me if you shut up.
Okay, then this is a very interesting matter. Why you know we don't understand what
No, she tell me if you shut up, and that's what I try to say.
I tell you if you shut up because I tell you say you talk too much now. So
you tell me if you shut up.
No, Lovell,
shut up.
Lovell, shut up.
And that you hear your wife say? And I shut her here, she tell me if you shut up.
Yeah. So I want to go here.
No! I take up my camera vlog and all of a sudden,
but normally when we come down with here, we need to listen to music so we can go to the music.
Well, me not know music.
So you tell me if you put up my camera? Babe? No! This serious.
This is very interesting.
Baby, I go sit down and make your sister talk to me like that.
You don't have no ear drop, my God.
Don't talk to me like that, Lovell. Don't do it. Don't do it.
What you know?
You don't hear your wife talk to me?
Hey, what you know? What you know?
Almost fight, so nobody.
What you know? Lovell? Wait,
hold on.
Alright, so nobody no busy about what me I say now.
What you say?
Why this escalate for?
So what I let me go fight? You want to go
Lovell.
outside, go fight?
Yes, we can go outside, go fight, Lovell. No, excuse me.
No, we got up.
Alright, sit up, Jason. Only baby.
What I thought about say go to?
No,
if you want to fight, we can fight.
No, I said
No.
Over there, said Jason, but it's parking there.
Babe, park. No, park, let Lovell do what she
She
thinks she can do.
Go
No, park.
You know, say me slap it tone. You know me slap it
You
tone.
go sit down and make your sister can't talk to me like
No,
that.
we're not still gonna make nobody talk to you like
So
no.
what wrong with that?
So what I know, what
What's wrong with that?
Lovell,
Guys,
what do you hear me attack?
guys, me happy say this sketch on camera because me don't know where all of this come from. Lovell ask me up.
That can't post in the...
No, this I got
This
post.
can't post.
This I got post.
I'm gonna have your problem because people say you talk too much. If me talk too much, you people say me talk too much.
Wait.
You talk too much, shut your mouth, whatever.
No, Lovell, you have to be very disrespectful right now.
No, but you know hear what Lucy just said to me?
Lovell,
Lucy said if me put up a video, me and him are gonna have things.
listen to me, I say, Lovell, why you have to be disrespectful?
Me not be disrespectful, Jason, I'm just saying.
Lovell, we can't go outside. We can't go outside.
You know,
We
so
can't
you
take it
instigate the
outside.
Insinuate if you go outside, you want we
Yeah,
actually go
instigate the
outside.
thing.
Yes, we can't go
Yeah, we
out
can't go
there.
outside.
No, we can't go out
You
there.
have a
They
6
pull
feet tall
over.
man
You know
with
what,
me.
hold
They
You have a
pull
6
over.
Hold on.
Him can't do me nothing.
Okay.
So what you want to talk about fight for? Hold on.
They pull over.
Oh, hold on.
Pull over.
Yeah, thanks.
I'm going to pull over because I told you to come
No.
like some big idiot.
Yeah. I saw you're gonna make your sister talk to me.
Yeah, what's wrong with that, my brother? You're not
Guys.
that older than me. You're not that older than me.
Lovell, why you pushing foolishness now?
But me not, she insinuate
So
me
when
to
I
go
talk about
outside.
say who chat about you, when I talk about go outside for?
But she, I say, me
You
go
know
outside,
what?
so me I go outside.
Why
Me
you
happy
keep
say
on
this.
America?
Me happy say this
No, that
sketch
can't
man.
post it,
Me
so
have a
No,
post
but
it.
You can't
Me
post
have a
that.
post. You
You're
can't tell me what to do. Here.
Me I hear everything there, my ears them
Say
alright.
here, Lucy talk to me. You know, address Lucy.
Him saying can't post that, me agree say can't
So if
post,
me
babe.
post, what you gonna do?
Babe, you cannot post that, babe.
What? No, I want to see things that
Babe,
me I go
babe, you
in.
cannot post that.
I am posting it,
Why
guys.
not argue and post that on internet for? And what kind of fool argument that talk about say, oh, Lovell, why you be disrespectful about
Me
chatting?
not be disrespectful, but me just simply
Lovell,
say.
relax yourself.
And she, no, but me say she talk too much. Why she insinuate the ball?
No, but we
we
just
go fight.
but just
He never have to reach.
No, it never have to reach us, so baby never have to reach us, but
I love else about fight
can't listen.
first.
No, they can't listen when me attack. Babe, you never have to reach us about no fight. Lovell, why you tell her she talk too much? Me just hear she attack her story and me hear she say she have a vlog. So what you gonna tell? She says she attack you on the vlog, Lovell, so respect her when she have vlog, because if you have vlog, more than say nothing neither.
You're lucky for Jason there,
Me
yeah?
no lucky
What
okay, no.
Jason would do me? What
What me would I do? What me would I do? What me...
Stop it nice, you know. Stop it nice, you know. Stop it nice, you know. You not idiot.
You're lucky, Jason.
Why you laugh for?
No, but Jason, no, it is so weird for me. Yeah, just cuss.
You ever hear me? I love it like us.
So what?
Jason, they cut the rag and
They couldn't wally when Jason...
I said you me can't find us. Yo, no matter what me there, man, and I see me.
Ah, Lucy wouldn't even come in our argument. That's no.
Family not too much riffraff now, you know, so me
That's
not
true.
trust that.
But you know the funniest thing? From me coming out of family here, me and Lovell, Jordy, nobody will never have nothing.
They say they know. Alright.
If how you feel?
They say they know.
How you feel?
So we love how it going on, man.
But you want to film me part now, go mesh with GC party. You can't upload this up. You see?
Yeah. Yeah, Mrs. Said that.
Okay,
Guys, that was a good one.
Okay, whoa.
No say short, but it's spicy.
But if you turn on my face to laugh, and just
Hi,
take on the
baby.
rag.
Them have a
Good
dance.
one, Lovell. Teamwork. You know, from when we put intro teamwork.
Them have a
Teamwork.
dance with him.
Call it full 100. But yeah, guys, we.
I don't know who in there because I'm here, so I'm here.
But babe should have known me and Lovell
Everything you talk
never.
about say should I know. You have to tell me that. Anybody,
And
if you didn't know, say about a family member we got thief out of your piggy bank, you wouldn't put the money in your piggy bank. No, but you get stolen.
No, but if me and Angel have something, you know, if me say, see Angel do something, me say Angel, you know, say that.
So me ask a question. Friend never slap friend.
Yeah, that's
Oh, so what you gonna tell?
that's
What?
true, but.
Also, all of your friends them loyal to you.
Me not have none.
Then why you don't have none?
Because they're not loyal to me.
Then stop talking to me like a girl. I same thing. Don't remember if you carry go to school.
So yeah, the school we know to
No,
get
don't
from.
go talk up to me, you know.
That did nice. That was nice. But guys, we're gonna end off the video right now. With the power way, I got Mandeville.
I like it.
And we're gonna talk some old time story.
You know, you're no story that no because we talk already, you know.
I said, don't be nice.
Look at Lucy, holy baby. Oh, that Jeep is nice.
Yeah, nobody Jeep though nice.
5 mil for them, you know.
5 mil?
Yeah, this is still my man can't talk about food Jeep nice.
Baby, something just
No, yo,
I love my baby
you're making
car.
me jealous now, man.
I
Stop
love
that.
your car, clean and smell nice.
I just that alone.
and comfortable.
Say no look
And the
good
shocks
too.
them good when the car boom up, me just yeah, me not getting a jerk. The shocks good.
Oh, well.
So when I drop in a pothole, I just feel the car just But guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me, road to 100k. Bye guys.